Alright, so we finally made it to New York. It only took like an hour and a half, no lie. We're in the Bronx right now. We're headed on over to Manhattan to B&H. Gonna go pick up my lens like I said in the last vlog. And yeah, that's what we're doing. We're gonna spend the day in New York. I love this place.
Getting high till the sun goes down. Lift my head and I leave the ground. I know I said that I need this town. I need you back. Wrap it up, get the best of me. Neon lights come and set me free. Close my eyes and I know I'll be sleepless in New York City. City, city. Sleepless in New York City. City, city. Sleepless in New York City. City, city. Sleepless in New York City. City, city.
Alright, we finally made it outside of B&H right now. The photo and video shop. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at around. So we're in B&H right now. Man, this place is awesome. I don't even know where to start. But I did come here for a reason. I came to pick up that lens I've been talking about. So I guess I should get to that before anything else. This is my first time here, so I'm kind of like, okay. Awesome.
So
place.
so the way all these things going around are the bottom floor of this is just a warehouse.
Yeah.
So we don't have much stock in store. Okay. So we find what you want, put it on there, and they ship it to the front.
Oh,
here's the thing. Upstairs is like DSLR heaven, and like there's even like a Sony kiosk that you can look at all their stuff. I'm happy to just call up whatever lens you want and get it for you. But if you want to go look at it and look at stuff,
that'd be awesome.
Go all the way over there and up them stairs and just kind of keep looping around and you'll see.
Okay.
You can't miss it.
All right, thank you.
You get the bag and fumble it. You get the bag and fumble it. You get the bag and fumble it. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blood in it. The mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up her bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stash.
All right, so I hear the Sigma 16mm f1.4 is a great lens.
Yes, it is.
So
I shoot on A6500. Great lens.
Yeah, it's a 6300. So
perfect.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's really wide. Like it's like basically 24.
Okay.
On,
cool.
On your camera, so. The autofocus is also really good. Yeah, so I was looking to get a prime lens.
Yeah.
I had the 28 prime on my, and it was like too tight to like, especially if we're doing like stuff like this.
Right.
Like doing like vlogging or stuff like that. And I wanted like wider for like some photography stuff. Mm-hmm. So yeah, I was gonna get the 20 prime 2.8. It's supposed to be nice, but then the guy like for like $150 more. This guy right here, and way better. Yeah. And also, not that I care that much, but it looks a lot more official than the other lens was like. It's like very.
I've been using the kit lens, man.
The kit lens, man. Yeah, it's not good.
I'm done with the kit lens.
Oh, is that what you just had on there?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, no, this is.
I know. Well, I got the kit lens with the body. I got it together as a bundle, so I just been using the kit lens, and I'm like, I need something else.
Yeah, no, I when I bought mine, I didn't get the kit lens at all. No? I just bought the body, because I heard that it's
smart.
Shit. So
it is a shitty lens.
The 28 f2, that's a really nice one. It's only like it's pretty reasonable for the. It's like
28, you said?
Yeah, it's like $450.
Yeah, that's about the price of this one.
F2, it's an F2. It's real nice, but for like it would be if you were to do this, it's too tight.
Yeah.
Because like A63 and the one that I have, the A65, is crop. So it's like more like a 42mm. And then this with the crop is more like a 24.
Yeah.
And you heard it here, folks.
Yes.
But doing some vlogging?
Yeah, I vlog. Yeah.
Nice.
I love it. It's awesome. All right, thank you.
Yeah, man, of course. Yeah, what was your name, man?
Wanye.
Wanye, I'm Matt.
Nice to meet you,
man. Where are you from, man?
Connecticut.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I'm from Boston.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I went to Boston, Christmas time. Quincy Market went shopping.
Oh, yeah, it's nice over there.
Yeah, love it.
Yeah, man. I hope you like that, because do you do photography with it, too?
I do, yeah.
Yeah, I was just using it yesterday.
Yeah.
Real good for portraits.
Do you have like 10 to 18?
Nah, right now my kit is just the 28 prime, and then now the 16.
Oh, okay.
Other than that, like
I have the 35 millimeter for Sony.
how's that? Because that's
I
more
like
like
it.
a 50, right?
Yeah, I like it a lot. But it's like too close in. I want to get everything.
It opened up like that. This opened up a lot for me with like doing just recently. Even well, I just got it like last week.
Yeah.
But like doing like different kind of photography and this stuff too. Like I do a little bit of this. I do a lot of YouTube videos too.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm hyped about it.
Definitely.
Yeah, man. I hope you like it.
All right, thanks, man.
Yeah.
That's it for New York. We're gonna head back to Connecticut now and probably just chill. But yeah, this is the lens right here. So let me know what you think down in the comments. All right, I'm signing out. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button if you like it, and I'll catch you in the next vlog.
You get the bag and fumble it. You get the bag and fumble it.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. The mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up her bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stash.